Now we're going to install the boom. We want to move the intermediate frame all the way to the left. And it should roll fairly easy. It should just be air in the lines. All right, we're getting ready to install the boom. You want to go ahead and put your upper and lower bearings in, and you want to also go ahead and torque these to 235 foot-pounds. All right, you want to raise up. You want to bring it in at an angle. Get your top bearing started over. Ease down. All right, now we're going to install the 3-inch load bearings on the bottom of the boom. To install the upper 3-inch load bearings, you're going to need a pry bar. From here, lift up, and then your bearing should slide right in. Do the same thing for the other side. Now you want to come around to the front, then you want to put your 4.5-inch nuts on, and you want to torque these to 425 foot-pounds. You're going to need a 3/4 Allen to hold the back side of the bearing while you're tightening the nut.